Check out this channel. It has uploaded only 4 videos with 102K subscribers. In his third video, he hit million views. How is this possible? Yes, it is possible. Towards the end of the video, I will tell you the top 3 secret they use. First one is very, very important, so don't skip. Support me by subscribing. YouTube algorithm is changing day by day. It is giving importance to small creators like us, so don't lose hope. Third one is title. Title of your video is very important, which brings more viewers to your video. It should be like this. 1. Should be short enough. 2. Include emotions like secret trick, don't miss it, easiest method, don't say this to anyone, hurry. 3. Add numbers, earn $65,365. 4. Add emojis. 5. Use capitalization like faceless channel. Second one is niche. You must be very particular in choosing niche. Try to select trending niche like lifestyle, gaming, vlogs, cooking. How to pick a niche. 1. Find in what you are interested in. 2. Seek for the competitors in YouTube and analyze their trend. 3. Select niche, which gives more views in short time. 4. Select niche, which is easy for you. If you choose difficult niche, it will be hard to create more videos. 5. Apart from these 4 points, I will tell you this is the best way. Just go to Google and search for top 10 best niches and select one from them. The most awaited trick number 1 is to grab most of the viewer's attention is by creating an attractive thumbnail like this. One of the biggest thing that how many YouTubers are getting million views means they create an outstanding thumbnails. There is 3 main things to note while creating thumbnails for your videos. 1. Add some interesting and attractive text which is bold, unique, and eye-catching. 2. Choose a person's photo with some emotions like thinking, shocked, sad, surprised, etc. 3. Do not overload with text on your thumbnail. To say in simple, it should eye-catching and clickable for viewers. Before completing, there is an important thing left. Don't create a clickbait in your thumbnail. If you do such things, that will be a danger for your channel. So views to your channel will get reduced. After doing all these corrections, your videos are ready to upload. YouTube algorithm normally takes few days to analyze your content and push to the right audience in homepage. It will check with the audience whether it receives positive or negative response. If algorithm receive positive response by CTR click-through rate and AVD average view duration, it will automatically send your videos to multiple viewers. So don't wait anymore and start making attractive content. See you soon in another video. Do subscribe